Merhaba, we are Name Maple is Arianna and Aron. Today we are going to be showing you how to make amazing, delicious jelly. First, you will need 2 or 1 pack of jelly. I have some Ruben's cream soda jelly, some hot water. Make sure adult does this part because it's very dangerous, and some silicone molds of your choice. You can have them on the plate to make it easier. First things first, you need to open up your packs of jelly. This is pretty messy. It looks like grass kind of, but it looks like slime. Now I'm going to mix it all in. It kind of looks like slime, guys. When Arianna is studying, I'm going to add 450 milliliters water. Now guys, once I'm done mixing, I'm going to add the jelly mix into our cool silicone molds. Now we're going to put our jelly into the molds. Transferring our jelly to our jelly mold. Now we're going to put it into the fridge for 3 hours. Let's go! Alright, the jelly set. We're going to put everything together. Let's first add some ultramilk to our bowl. Now add in the jelly. Now guys, we're finally done with our custard and jelly, but just wait, there's one more. Chocolate. We put 3 chocolates. We're finally done with our dessert. Please like and subscribe. Bye!